is the Reolink RLC-423, which is a 5 megapixel Super HD PTZ high-speed dome PoE security camera. I've actually bought this as a replacement, which is going to be replacing a Wacom camera because you actually have to pay a subscription now for the Wacom cameras. I've actually installed the Reolink app already. I do have that installed on my mobile and also on my desktop because I do use a Reolink camera already. The easiest way to connect one of these up is to get a network cable and the PoE injector, or in this case we're going to use the Reolink NVR, plug it directly into there, into that socket, and the camera will start working immediately. These cameras are very easy to set up, and this is a very good quality one. This will take 5 megapixel Super HD videos and images. You can remotely view this on a mobile phone or on a computer. It also has smart motion detection. You can also set this up for real-time alerts should you wish to do so. This camera actually has a 360 degree endless pan, and it also has 90 degree tilt. It has night vision up to 190 feet. This is also compatible with other third-party ONVIF software. The only drawback to this is the actual mounting bracket. I was hoping that I'd be able to get all the cables into the back of there so that I could fit this flush onto a brick wall, but unfortunately I can't do that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the existing camera that I've got up there, and then I'm going to put a junction box in place of the existing camera, and then we're going to plug this camera into the junction box. I'm going to start off by removing the old camera, then I'm installing a waterproof box over the existing Ethernet cable, which is PoE and is connected to the Reolink NVR. I'm now knocking in the wall plugs. I have now used a piece of masking tape to hold the included template on the wall. I'm now drilling the fitting holes using a SDS drill. I'm now knocking in the wall plugs. Now I can screw the camera to the wall. It is important that you get someone to foot the ladder if you are working at height. You will notice that the hole for the cable is at the bottom of the waterproof enclosure. I now just need to feed the cables from the camera through that hole, then simply plug in the one PoE Ethernet cable. One of the other cables is for the audio and the other one is a reset button. The other cables do not need connecting if you are using PoE. We can now tighten the screws and then seal the hole with a suitable sealant. Now that has been installed, we need to use the Reolink app on either a mobile phone or a computer. I hope you found this video useful. If you have and you haven't done so already, please subscribe to the channel.